Hello, in this video we're still working on 11.1 and we are going to do example 4. Alright, example 4 says telephone numbers in the United States begin with 3-digit area codes followed by a 7-digit local number. Area codes and local numbers cannot begin with 0 or 1. How many different telephone numbers are possible? So to do this, I sort of set up a blank template for a telephone number. So telephone numbers have 1, 2, 3-digit area code and then a 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, dash, 1, 2, 3, 4 to get our 7 digits. Now we're choosing a digit for each of these like spots. You know, you're choosing a number. Maybe your number starts with a 7 or a 4 or a 5 or whatever. So really we're choosing between 0 and 9. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now notice if you count those 1 through 9 and then add 0, you get 10 numbers total. So generally, if I could choose any number for each of these spots, I could choose from 10 things. I'm picking from 10 things. But if you notice your little question prompt, it says area codes and local numbers cannot begin with a 0 or a 1. So that means this blank here and this blank here, we can't have 0 or 1. So we have to choose between 2 and 9. And if I count that, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options. So I have 8 options for my first number, 8 options for my last, or for my next, well, the first number of my area, of my telephone number. Wow, I don't know why I can't speak. Those 2 spots both have 8 options. Now everywhere else, I could choose any number I want. So I can choose from 0 to 9 for the rest of those spots. You can write that, but it's the same for everything for the rest of them. So that means that I technically have 10 options for the rest of my numbers. So we're going to type in 10 for each of those. And then remember you're multiplying, so if you want, you can add a dot in between or a star or put it all in parentheses, whatever you want. But you're going to multiply those all together. Now that might be kind of a lot to type in your calculator. 8 times 10 times 10, and just can get a little confusing. So you can write it as, we have 2 8s, so that's 8 squared. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. So we have 10 to the power of 8. When I do that, we have 8 squared times, and then we have 10 to the power of 8. Ooh, I get 64, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which I guess I could have figured out. So that is a very large number. What is that? 6 billion and 4 million. No. I don't really know how to say that number, but it's very large. And it's the total number of phone numbers we could write based on those parameters. So again, remember for this section, figure out how many choices you have to make and then how many options you have for each of those choices. All right, thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher. This is your last video for today, so you can go ahead and try today's homework. Bye.